How's it going? Today I want to talk about this mirror. Now, a lot of people were using this mirror for their bathroom, but I decided to install it in my garage for my home gym. Now, whenever this package came in, it is extremely heavy. Definitely two people need to carry it. The way they had it packaged was a cardboard box. They had a piece of plywood, a piece of foam, the mirror, a piece of foam, and a piece of plywood, and they had some nice little metal brackets to protect the corners. Extremely heavy putting this on. It has two brackets. It's these silver plates. The silver plates came with drywall screws, which is what I had to use on this wall, as well as screws for those drywall anchors. Whenever it was time to actually hang it, I did notice that my wall was pushed out in the middle, so it made it a little bit difficult, but we were able to get it on just fine. The cord is directly in the center, so you need to figure out where the plug needs to be, because I did decide to plug this in. There are options where you can wire this in. I decided to plug it in, so you need to make sure you're close enough to an outlet to get that to work. Once it's powered up, there are three different settings for the lights. This one is like the bright light setting, and then they have one that is more of this kind of like a yellowish light, and then they have one that is more of a cool looking light. They also have the defogger. Now, the defogger is typically going to be in like the shower bathroom setting, so I probably won't be messing with that here in the garage. You can just turn the power off if you don't want any of those lights. I think the lights are really cool. It does save which setting you had it on, so it'll go right back to cool. It doesn't have to restart, so you don't have to recycle it every time. If you like this one and want to keep it every single time, you can just leave it at that and turn it on and off whenever you please. Now, I like this because I can see myself work out. I can kind of see the definitions in my arms as I'm moving the weights. I think it's a great gym mirror setup. It's got this nice black border. It looks super slick, especially with the lights. I mean, the LED lights is what this thing is all about. Again, really heavy, really fragile. Be careful setting it up. But once it's up, it's a beautiful thing.